A general physical examination is a routine checkup where Checkdrought assesses your overall health and examining different body systems.
During a general physical exam, the doctor checks the level of consciousness. The patient is fully alert and oriented.
In a general physical examination, we check the level of consciousness, general appearance, posture, and vital signs. During a GPE, we check basic signs like blood pressure, heart rate, and temperature. This helps us assess your overall health.
GPE stands for General Physical Examination. It's the initial assessment of health. It's done before a detailed exam. Let's check your walking. Please walk toward the right wall. All right. Good. I see a slight limp on the left. Your build is well developed.
Thank you.
And you appear well nourished.
Yes.
Good. Good morning. Just reviewing our hygiene protocols.
Oh, good morning, nurse. Personal cleanliness is very important for your recovery.
Pallor. That means I'm pale, and it indicates possible anemia? Oh, that doesn't sound good.
Icterus is a yellow discoloration of the skin and eyes, a sign of jaundice. Clubbing is a bulbous enlargement of the fingertips, often seen in lung or heart diseases.
How are you feeling?
A little better, thank you.
Good. I'll check your vitals.
First, let's look at the standard format for writing GPE and clinical notes. Then, we'll compare it to the ideal standard format. Any discomfort or pain?
No, I'm feeling much better.
Good. I'll update your chart. Next, we assess built and nutrition. This helps us evaluate body structure and nutritional status. First, check if hydration is adequate. Then, check for signs of dehydration.
I'm just checking for pallor. Okay. Your conjunctiva looks good. That's a relief.
This is digital clubbing, a bulbous enlargement of the fingertips. Observe the rounded shape and the nail angle as the fingers move. Checking the cervical nodes, any tenderness? A little on the left? Noted, lymphadenopathy is present. These are your vital signs: temperature, pulse, breathing, and blood pressure.
Okay, I see. What are the normal ranges?
They're right here.